In this video we're going to look at the area of a kite. Now first thing is I need to split this into two triangles along a diagonal. Now the diagonal to pick is the one that splits it into two equal triangles. So we've done that. Now we need to work out the area of the two triangles we've made. So there's A1 and there's A2. So A1 is going to be half times base times height. Well, let's work this through. So a half, put the numbers in, the base of A1, well that is the red line, which is 10 meters long from here, times the height of the triangle, well that's from here. Well, as we split it exactly in half, it's got to be half of 8, so that's going to be 4. So the area of this is 20 meters squared. Let's do the same for A2. A2 is going to be half times base times height. Put in my numbers. So a half times the base, well the base is the red line, so that's 10 meters. And the height is from here to here, well that's half of 8, so that's 4. So A2 is equal to 20 meters squared. And the total area, I just need to add up these two areas, so 20 plus 20 is 40 meters squared.